Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we're the 25th of November, so 1 month from Christmas. And the subject of my video will be regarding my wood stove hot ashes. This is the very first time that I'm emptying my stove from the ashes. And the reason why I'm doing that this late is a subject of this video, so stick around. Cheers. All right, folks, so like I told you in my previous video, I burned 2 face cord of softwood, and the difference is here compared to the past years, because even when I was living in Shefford, my firewood was dry, but not at the most. And this time it's very dry. And the second thing that I'm doing is I'm burning it a little bit more hotter. So what I mean is I don't close the keys at night. I leave it 1/4 open, or half, depending of how windy is it outside and stuff like that. But I do leave it a little bit. I'm burning, I'm leaving the keys, the draft keys here that I'm playing with, a little bit open, so it's burning hotter. The glass is much cleaner, and also the ashes is more finer, less dark gray, but light gray, as you can see behind me. I hope you're able to see and that result is yes, I'm perhaps burning a little more firewood, but I get more BTO output. And regain is I have probably less creosote in the chimney, and also less ashes because it burned hotter. And the second gas burn, like the EPA, like the tube I have on the upper, it does help. So that's the reason why it's the first time, like I told you, this is the first time that I'm emptying my wood stove after burning 2 face cord of softwood. All right, so like this very nice wood stove is it's equipped with the ash tray right under. I just had to remove the key. Stick around. All right, so I'm gonna find out where is the right here. So I'm just gonna put it like this, like that, and then I'm just gonna try to save some coal. Just put it in there because those coal are not burned. And I'm just gonna there we go. I'm just gonna put it there for now. All right, and then again, I really like that chimney because the draft, it's keeping all the dust is staying in there. All right, it's very fast there. It didn't take too long. I'm just gonna put back there we go. Now I'm gonna shovel the unburned coal, wood coal, right in the middle. And since I'm in there, I'm gonna take a good look of all my bricks. Everything is very good. I'm very happy with it. All my tubes are in good shape, and that's how I do. Now clean the windows, stick around, I'm gonna show you that. Alright, there's many tricks you can use. You can use water, just water your newspaper. Or for me, I use Windex, and I just put it like this, right over like that, even when it's warm. And then I just swipe out. Only burn myself. The stove is still warm. I'm just gonna swipe out like this. And that's another reason why burning hot is really make the difference. And look at that. Doesn't take too much. If you really want to do finish it, you just have to use the dry paper, and that will be it. All right, so that is my last trick, and you say it was kind of and even if sometime you have a dark spot, Windex will do the trick, and also water. The reason why I use Windex is have a deeper penetration against, especially if you burn softwood. The resin sometimes popped out and it create a burnt, so it's easier to clean. All right. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to light up my wood stove. So stick around. I didn't put yet my ashes because I let the dust settle down in the ashtray, so it's not gonna vaporize everything around. So I have the time to light up the wood stove. So stick around. So this is how I light up my wood stove. I always put two pieces in the middle, like this. I put my my newspaper in the middle, like so. Then I put a large piece, I leave a large piece in the front. I put my little candle wood right in the middle, like you're building a bridge. The river will be, the newspaper will be acting as the river of the bridge. And this is how I light up my wood stove, and I just have to use my matches. Like my good friend Kenny, I will have his name there. I forget his name, sorry Kenny. But I will have the name. I'm using the Redbird wood matches. And I'm just gonna light it like this. Like that. Leave the draft keys open. I'm gonna open the door, but about a good foot from there, from the stove. And I'm gonna broom everything around. Alright, so the wood stove start to light up. I'm just gonna put it like this. I'm gonna pull my ashtray in the back like this. I use a I wet the newspaper and I just put it right over it like this, so that will stop the dust. Alright, so I'm gonna dump that outside, stick around. So I'm going to keep the newspaper. You can see all the dust there. I'm just gonna put it like that. And I always trim my ashes all over the grass, like so. And the ashes help to kill insects, and it acts as also as a fertilizer. So stick around, folks. And yes, we had some snow this morning. So the stove is it's all light up. Now for the wet newspaper, I just put it in the bottom like this. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna keep it dry like that in front of the wood stove, because did you know that the newspaper, when it's wet and when it becomes dry, it's even better acting as a lighter of a wood, because it's not longer compressed, so it act a better, create better flame. That's it. I just have to throw back the wood, the ashtray, firewood ashtray, or anyway, you know what I mean. This under the stove. All right, so and like I say, I'll keep the door open like that, and that will light up my wood stove. The reason you want to keep the door open, it creates less smoke. If I start to close the door like this, soon smoke will appear. Well, it depends. It turned out so very well, then it's not going to appear. But maybe maybe perhaps a little bit. But always leave the door open for a while when it's really good. All right. So that's how I light up my wood stove, and that's how I clean my ashes. You saw me also cleaning the windows, and it's doing very good. Doesn't take too much long time, eh? Now, the second portion of this video is today was Sunday the 24th. The paint is not quite dry, so I'm gonna wait tomorrow to put the, you know, the black stripe on my you saw me my workbench. And also my snowblower. And by the way, the camera, yes, it was set up, but however, when I put it down, it was not pointing towards the snowblower, it was pointing toward my welder, I think, and that gave me the ID. So I was a poor actor, I know, but it really happened. I forgot to shut down the camera because I dropped the paint, the yellow paint on the table, so that gave me the ID to paint it. And, well, may as well to paint it since I have so much yellow paint on the table. So yeah, this is the true story. All right, folks, so you're going to see that, so stick around. Putting the black stripe on my workbench table and portable, one big table, and also my snowblower. All right, so any question regarding my outstanding wood stove? And it's model Heritage. It's made by Drolet. Outstanding fire burning capacity, and very well. And you can see it's starting to get better and better. So that's, you see there, there's no, I don't, in the morning when I wake up, I don't have time to lose to put, like, I just put 2 logs, put the newspaper in the middle, acting as a river, and then I put the log in it there. And before I head out to work, and then I put 2 more logs, and that's it. So efficiency is the vital factor in my life. I'm trying to survive. All right, so stick around. Cheers. I don't know if you can see outside, but it's snowing tonight. We're Tuesday the 26th, and yeah, quite windy, but we have a nice snow. This is our second snow. It snowed on Sunday. On Monday it all melted, and today, well, it's not that cold outside. It's only 1 degree Celsius, so just barely above freezing mark. And in the meantime, before I'm going to paint my snowblower, my working portable table, I have to fill up my so stick around, you're gonna see that. All right, cheers.
Alright folks, so the job is done, all fit up and left over to go inside my house. So let's go in the garage. And yes, just to show you, it dropped a little bit as you can see. Alright, and it's still snowing, very beautiful. Alright, so let's go inside the hangar, the garage. Alright folks, so I'm gonna wait tomorrow because it's Tuesday today, and the paint, as you can see there, it left some mark with my gloves. The paint is still sticky, so I will wait tomorrow to have a better shining what I did on my fork. I climb up a little bit the heat, so have a chance the paint to dry properly and cure. So tomorrow that will be, I paint on Sunday afternoon, Monday, Tuesday. So tomorrow it should be good. Alright, if it's not sticky I will end the video right there, but I'll let you inform. Alright, stick around. Well, see you tomorrow. Cheers. Good day gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 27th of November on Wednesday, and I went inside my garage and the paint, the yellow paint is still sticky. So I will finish that project of painting my black stripe on my snowblower and my portable work table. And yes, so let's edit that video and publish it on YouTube, and I have my Facebook personal account too. So please, again, thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment. Let's help each other. And remember folks, life is very good. This is the last week of November. And yes, and it's still snowing a little bit. I have maybe 1 inch outside, so definitely. And be calling for colder weather too, so yeah. All right, take care of yourself. Life is good. Cheers.